A health concern among female prisoners, those at Bomana Jail outside Port Moresby, have been tested for cervical cancer, and it is strongly suggested that the same be carried out among other female prisoners in other jails.
Cervical cancer continues to be the most common form of cancer affecting women in the country. Although preventable, an estimated 4 women die each day in the country from cervical cancer. This adds up to an estimated 1,500 deaths per year, making Papua New Guinea one of the most affected countries globally. Bomana Clinic on the outskirts of Port Moresby was filled with female inmates, prison staff and women from the surrounding community. Medical staff from NCD Health Service were on hand this week to carry out awareness and health checks.
This morning we came to do awareness on cervical cancer. We also did awareness on non-communicable disease like diabetes and hypertension as well. And so right now at the background you see women who are just standing to have their blood pressures taken, and we're also checking their blood sugars and weight. But our focus is on cervical cancer.
NCD Health Service is conducting this program to encourage more women to have regular health checks. Obstetrician and gynecologist with NCD Health Service, Dr. Luti Amos, says though preventable, many women do not go for regular checkup until the cancer has developed to a late stage.
Today what we're doing is we're screening them and then getting them registered for pap smear, and we're also doing a visual inspection of cervical of the cervix with acetic acid. We're going to do that on the following week.
Cervical cancer is caused by a virus called human papillomavirus or HPV. Once diagnosed, treatment for most stages of cervical cancer include surgery, such as a hysterectomy with or without removal of both ovaries, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy. Depending on how much the cancer has grown, patients may have one or more treatments.
The turnout is quite good, and like women are now becoming aware that cervical cancer is the commonest cancer that is killing women, and at the same time they know that cervical cancer is preventable and there are no women who die from cervical cancer. So that message is slowly getting to the women.
PNG Tonight, after the break. Educationists speak out against a growing number of illegal colleges.